Guys, terrific work today. I'm really proud of what everyone did here. But we gotta start remembering animals. We're forgetting about all the animals. Right now we're only remembering furry ones, wet ones, ones that fly. Furry wet ones. We gotta start remembering other kinds of animals, guys. Not just the furry ones. Not just the wet ones. Not just the ones that fly. We gotta remember some other ones. Yes, you have a question.
Yeah, can you give an example?
I didn't understand what you just said to him.
Oh, you mean when I went, yes,
Yes.
that question.
No, that answer. The question was understandable, correct, Benjamin?
Yes.
Right?